The king is back. The legendary Hemi V8 has returned to the Ram 1500, and if that alone doesn't get your heart pumping, wait until you hear what else this truck is bringing to the table for 2026. Over 11,000 pounds of towing, a cabin that makes luxury SUVs jealous, and a lineup so deep it takes 10 trim levels to cover it all. Today, on Launch Rev USA, we're doing the full breakdown on the 2026 Ram 1500. Let's go! Welcome back to Launch Rev USA, your go-to channel for real, honest car and truck reviews straight from the USA. Today's subject? The 2026 Ram 1500, one of the top-selling full-size pickup trucks in America, and honestly, one of the most talked-about trucks of the year. Big news for 2026. The iconic 5.7-liter Hemi V8 makes its triumphant return to the Ram 1500 lineup. Available across nearly all trim levels, delivering 395 horsepower and that signature rumble that Ram fans have been missing. On top of that, there's a brand new Express trim for 2026, bringing aggressive exterior styling at a more accessible price point. All in, the Ram 1500 is now available in 10 trim levels, from the work-ready tradesman all the way up to the ultra-luxury tungsten, with base prices ranging from $42,370 to $89,170. There is genuinely a Ram 1500 for every type of buyer. Let's break it down, starting with the looks. Standing next to this truck, one thing is immediately clear. Ram absolutely nails the exterior design. This is a bold, commanding, full-size pickup that demands attention on the road. The Ram 1500's frame is built with 98% high-strength steel. This thing is built tough from the ground up. You can see it in the proportions, in the stance, in the way the hood sits. It looks like it can take on anything. The new Express trim is a style play. It comes with black 20-inch aluminum wheels, body color bumpers, a raised sport hood, black tubular side steps, and black trim finishes throughout. It's aggressive, it's clean, and it's going to attract a younger crowd. For those who want an even more sinister look, there's the Night Edition package. Blacked out grille emblem, door handles, power mirrors, headlamp bezels, badging, tailgate handle, exhaust tips, and wheels. Even the interior goes dark with black leather seats and blacked out cabin trim. That is a seriously mean-looking truck. The split multifunction tailgate with 60/40 swing-away doors is a class-exclusive feature that competitors still haven't matched. It's one of those things that once you use it, you can't go back. LED lighting is standard across most trims, and the overall exterior fit and finish is excellent, especially once you step up into the Laramie and above. Real quick, if you're new to Launch Rev USA, we cover the latest trucks, SUVs, and cars hitting American roads with zero fluff and zero bias. Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss a review. All right, let's talk about what's under the hood. This is where the 2026 Ram 1500 story gets really interesting, because for the first time in a while, you have three very different engine choices. Engine option 1, the base V6. The standard engine is a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 producing 305 horsepower and 269 lb-ft of torque. It's smooth, reliable, and with the e-torque mild hybrid system, it gets a boost in fuel efficiency. The Ram 1500 delivers up to 20 mpg city and 25 mpg highway. Solid numbers for a full-size truck. Engine option 2, the Hurricane Inline 6. Step up to the 3.0-liter Hurricane Inline 6 and you get 420 horsepower and 469 lb-ft of torque in the standard tune. Or go with the high-output version for a massive 540 horsepower and 521 lb-ft of torque. That high-output Hurricane is genuinely incredible. Quicker than most muscle cars and pulls trailers like a freight train. Engine option 3, the Hemi V8, the fan favorite. And then there's the returning legend, the 5.7-liter Hemi V8, putting out 395 horsepower with that unmistakable V8 rumble. It's a $1,200 option, and honestly, for the sound and the feel alone, Ram fans are going to love having it back. Towing? The Ram 1500 maxes out at an impressive 11,610 pounds with a maximum payload of 2,360 pounds. Those are class-competitive numbers that hold up against the F-150 and Silverado. On the road, the Ram continues to be the most comfortable riding full-size pickup truck, largely thanks to its rear coil spring suspension, which keeps the ride smooth whether the bed is empty or fully loaded. It's genuinely a pleasure to drive daily. Available four-corner air suspension with selectable ride height is a factory option, something you'd expect on a luxury SUV, not a pickup truck. Ram offers it anyway. Step inside the 2026 Ram 1500, and this is where it truly separates itself from every other truck in the segment. The Ram 1500 cabin features supremely functional storage, cavernous passenger space, and higher trims bring upscale materials that make the Ram feel more like a luxury vehicle than a pickup truck. Best-in-class rear legroom at 45.2 inches. That is not a typo. 45 inches of rear legroom in a pickup truck. Tall passengers, adults, even your in-laws will be comfortable back there. Infotainment is a story of options. Base trims start with an 8.4-inch touchscreen. Step up to the big horn and you get a 12-inch portrait-style screen. The Laramie moves to a stunning 14.4-inch display, and the top tungsten and limited trims add a secondary passenger side touchscreen as well. For audio enthusiasts, there's an available 23-speaker Klipsch Ultra Premium audio system, the most available speakers of any truck in its class. Pair that with the available panoramic sunroof with 10 square feet of glass, and the Ram 1500 cabin is simply in a class of its own. The class-exclusive Rambox cargo management system in the bed adds lockable, weatherproof bedside storage. It's one of the most practical innovations in the truck segment. For 2026, Ram has also enhanced the standard safety suite across all trims. Adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring are now standard on base models. That's a meaningful upgrade that buyers will appreciate. One honest knock: the base 8.4-inch infotainment touchscreen can be noticeably laggy compared to some rivals. Spend the money to get into the 12 or 14.4-inch screen. It's worth it. Let's talk pricing. And with Ram, you have a lot of choices. The full trim lineup for 2026 is Tradesman, Express, Warlock, Bighorn, Laramie, Rebel, RHO, Limited Longhorn, and Tungsten. Pricing runs from $41,575 for the Tradesman all the way up to $88,350 for the top-of-the-line Tungsten. Here are the key stops on that ladder. Tradesman, the $41,575. Work-focused, basic but solid. Express, new for 2026. Sporty styling at an accessible price. Bighorn, Lone Star, mid-range sweet spot with a 12-inch screen. Laramie, 14.4-inch display. Luxury features start here. Rebel, RHO, off-road focused trims. Limited, Longhorn, Tungsten, full luxury territory. The good news for buyers: people are currently paying around 6.4% below MSRP, saving nearly $4,000 on average. And Ram is offering financing as low as 2.9% for up to 72 months. That's a very competitive rate right now. Reliability sits at 3.5 out of 5 from RepairPal, ranking the Ram 1500 third out of 19 full-size trucks. It comes backed by a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Best value pick? The Laramie. You get the 14.4-inch screen, the smooth inline-6 engine option, and access to the best optional packages, without going all the way to luxury pricing. So, is the 2026 Ram 1500 the truck you should buy? Here's the straight answer. If you want the most comfortable full-size pickup truck on American roads, with the best rear legroom, the best interior quality, and the most powerful engine options in the segment, the Ram 1500 is your truck. The return of the Hemi V8 is a massive win for enthusiasts. The Hurricane Inline-6 is a monster for those who want maximum performance. And the Tungsten and Limited trims genuinely rival luxury SUVs for cabin quality. The trade-offs? The base infotainment is slow, the price can climb fast, and reliability scores, while solid, lag slightly behind Ford and Toyota at the top end. But overall, the 2026 Ram 1500 earns its place as one of the top 3 full-size trucks in America, and for ride quality and interior comfort, it's still number 1. That's a wrap on the 2026 Ram 1500 full review, right here on Launch Rev USA. If this video gave you value, smash that thumbs up. It helps the channel grow and helps more truck buyers find us. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you get every new review the moment it drops. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Which engine would you go for? The Hemi V8, the Hurricane Inline-6, or are you keeping it simple with the V6? And which trim is calling your name? Until next time, this is Launch Rev USA. Drive smart, choose better. We'll see you in the next one.